4 type of girls you should never date in your life if you want to become successful. Number 1, students. Not date them. They are very, very entitled. They always need emergency money. And they thief polo. Once they come your house, your polo must miss. The truth about them is that they get one boyfriend. They get one for school. They also get one for the place where they come from. Because they always need money. They always need emergency money. So because they need emergency money and they are not working, they always find different persons they want to they call to help them sort their bills. And because many of them they school, they feel like say the school where they go, they are fighting for their life. So therefore, you will be the man where they their life. You are supposed to be contributing, which is not supposed to be so. And many of them, their parents, they push them to ask of money from their boyfriend. You go see Papa will be say pay the girl school fees finish, doesn't pay the rent. When the girl call and say, my dad, my food stuff don't finish, you go tell us, I not pay for that one. No, you not get boyfriend, all those type of thing. You not get boyfriend, they call they push her to you. You will be girl of 18, 19 where they school. You the date boy of 22. That's your age mate. Oh. You don't have anything you are doing. You don't have money. How do you expect your age mate to get money? Are you a man of 50 where born daughter where they go school? Responsibility where you not fit carry. You expect a boy of 22, 25 to carry responsibility where you a man of 50 not fit carry for Nigeria. Not date students. They go put their pressure on you and you not really need that pressure. If you want to grow, live there, go date people will be say. At the time, life is very, very simple. You want date, you want your girlfriend to be graduate. Instead of dating a student where you go sponsor, why not look for a graduate? Guess they graduate every year. Find one of them who don't graduate date. Instead of to the train woman, they go school. Something happened recently. One guy coming in for my hotel. He drive from Asaba coming in for Ugele. The guy they cry, what happen? Get when they pay school fees for, they pay rent for, they do everything for. The guys they call and say, this girl with the son with one boy for school, yo. The girl they follow another boy. He goes okay, as a normal wise man now, he don't want to take what people they tell him. He won't see by himself. So on a good day, after he get information, he can't put people down because Asaba and ABK not really too far like that. He can't drive any money, go ABK. When he drive reach the hostel of the girl, he not green knock, he just take corner the pen. He won't wait me see what will go happen. We say that kind, I rather kind see something. Now you just see one guy, you open the door, carry his shoe like this. Just the door stamp. Me wear his shoe for outside. Now you just grab him. Now you push her inside the room. He can't lock the door. 3 of the night go inside the room, his girlfriend, the guy and himself. He said as the guy see him and I want, he can't be like say they freeze the girl. She freeze once. She called they cry, they beg. They call open door for the guy, make the guy come out. The house when he rents, get where they do everything for. Women don't care about your sacrifice. What you don't do for her before not really count. Now the next one you want to not really matter. So not make any girl they feel like say all these students now necessary pressure they won't put on you. One guy deal with me recently. All this is not tell you, so many of them go feel like say, Geh Geh, your sister, this and that. If you date my sister, don't train her to school. Not be you born her. My partner fit train her, na my father fit. If we be the brothers, sisters, other ones not fit train her, now we fit, not be you. So leave her. If you say you want to do am your body full, you want to do am, congratulations to you, but not call the expect say maybe later when she call leave you, call they cry say after everything I've done for you. She not ask you, now you choose. My younger sister called me recently say her phone spoil. I got that's okay, so they got collect phone. When she come, the day when she come meet me, one girl deal with me. For her present here, I carry phone when I buy, give my younger sister. She get boyfriend though. She get boyfriend. But I still buy phone for her. Even the previous phone which she they used before. Now she see my younger brother buy that one, but that one don't spoil now. She got come and say, bros, my phone that they use don't spoil. I said, okay, so they got collect another phone. She come and carry another phone, give her for present of one girl. When the girl see me, call they surprise her, say, sure. You dey buy phone for your sister here. But na so e suppose be. If the boy wey she dey date decide to give her, but if you not go see, maybe not to really get, because they won't put pressure on her, say, is it his responsibility? The one with the boy they use, now my sister buy am for him. No, he buy am by himself. The phone that they use now, I get buy am for me. No, I bought it myself. So when you your owner, you not gonna get. I not gonna feel see buy for you because they feel like say I not love you because I not feel buy phone for you. So not this student, they always have responsibilities. Will be say they won't call they transfer your responsibility to you. You know understand? Then number 2 type of girl you're not supposed to date for your life. You want to become successful. Hook up girls, not date them. It's not morally upright. You know the level of damage, emotional damage and mental damage wey person go reach before you go say I wan dey do hook up. Those people are damaged, not date them. You just be like say the word dey now, you know the emotional damage una go don get if I go carry gun go stand for road, I wan dey rob people of their hard-earned money. Na that level those girls dey, they are damaged. They are damaged people, not date them. Say maybe you don't carry am once, maybe you carry am 50k, then the next time when una come dey form relationship, when she come dey come in, next time she not go collect like 50 again, you give her like 30. Next time before you look, not go dey play girlfriend role for your life. Before you look, come dey carry olosho hook up girl as your serious girlfriend, bro. Not trying for your life. Not trying for your life. So na hook up girl life don tire you. You not see woman the way girls plenty. You get where they do hook up, where they stand for road. Where's the dignity? Say your girlfriend. Boy wey dey lawyer for you for normal street wey dey respect you, Geh Geh bros so I greet you, go gather 30,000 naira, go still go carry that your girlfriend, go go blast better doggy. Na those type of girls you wan dey date. They are not morally upright. Not date them. You get one my guy dey date one time like that. You know say them, and the worst thing is that these guys not even dey do anything with all this money wey they work. They go do osusu, at the end of the day osusu they go use and do. Patapata they go buy one iPhone. They go buy one expensive hair. You go see get wear hair of 500,000, 800,000. Wear one small gown. Go use spam of 250 to wear am. That's what these hookup girls they be. And that's what they always make me. Show me one hookup girl where I don't never make me. You should be hookup girl now, and it's sure for you. Like give me now say your tutu never make me. E not dey. Because they collect different type of all the type of people in this world don't enter their tutu before. Other again, now you got to date them now. Maybe not coffee they perform when I got to tell you, say you got to feel less of yourself. Whereas now the body don't damage, not be you. And what they tell you, every man on earth have been knack depends on the woman. Why because you go miss some girls now, they go feel them well, but you go miss some, they not go feel them. Now you go say this one body don't damage, that will prick when they enter that place. The nuclear weapon will be say they would be like hook, they bend. The one will be say they're long, way short, one way thin. All of them don't enter that place. So she not go feel that your own. When you look now, they tell you say 2 minutes man, that's a been knack, whereas now your body don't damage. Show me what hook up girl now. If you be hook up girl, you never make me. That place don't go, not date them. Leave them to their fate, the life with their shoes. Make them date there. And anything wey person don't do once, she's used to that pattern of using her body in exchange for money. So any small thing will be say, you know, if they give her money again, the only option she have now that her job. Even if she wanna call it her serious, say she can't even leave the job. Now you dey finance her, but later life go get the way it be for you. Maybe that period is not too good for you. If any of your guy still ask her, so how far? I'll give 50k, I'll give you 100k, come. She go still go because she's used to it before. Because normal girl before, hook up girl on a 3 way be guys, she don't carry one the same hook up girl before. So those is dey normal for her. We be say you go knock, your guy go knock, the other one go knock. That lifestyle na normative for her. So even if you marry her, in the absence of money you can no longer provide, she will still consider that thing as option. So leave them, let them go and face their consequences. Then number 3 type of girl you're not supposed to date for your life if you want to become successful. Now baby mama. Baby mama is not for you. Everybody say baby mama is not for me. Especially you as a young boy when they start up your life. You are not supposed to date a baby mama. Why you go date baby mama? She love you past the man wey she born pikin give. You know how long it go take for relationship go dey before woman go fit carry belle 9 months give that person. Now later she come dey claim give you say that person wey she born pikin give, she not love that person, and you she love. Na lie. Especially those also be say they always have something bad to say about their baby fathers. My baby father do this one, no. He too like woman. It's very very manipulative. You know they take care of me and the pikin. Person wey una date, you open leg, different style for this world. You don't practice am. Una date, una do many things together. Una don born, the boy leave you. Later you come dey claim say you the person a bad person. Na bad person, but you fit born pikin for am. She not love you more than that person, and the way life take dey for am. You know understand? If the man not marry am, not be you go marry am. Sometimes ask questions. No man dey happy say get wey born pikin for am. She abandon the girl and the pikin. The same way that man, wetin make that man leave am? Wetin make that? If you say na you want be a messiah. She dey tell you different bad things about the person. All of a sudden you want to be a messiah. Not try am. Baby mama is not for you. Geh Geh, what about those guys who were born for you? Who won't come marry them? Leave them alone. May they carry their cross. I not marry them, not be you go marry. No, I not say you that one. I not say you that message you. If not the same thing when I see when I run leave. Maybe now you go see them that time. Not worry. You wise pass me, Abi. You go cry. You wise pass Geh Geh. What wisest man are you wise pass? You go see what you I don't want to see. The video not too long. I don't know whether you watch that to this level, but let's go to number 4 ASAP. The other one will be say any girl, number 4, any girl with no different type of boys, not date them. They always know plenty boys. They know like 10 boys, 20 boys, 30, and they very, very close. You should what they claim they give you say she not they like be friends with her fellow girls. Say girls, they are drama too much, they too they gossip. I love to be friends with boys. That one not date her. Make she go find one of those boys where she will be her friend. Make she date, not join, not go, not let her add join that list. Me as a boy, as I dey here like this now, my guys, when they say guys, so they not pass 3. Boys will be my friend. Me as a boy, they not pass 3. Apart from how far a guy greet you, but normal friends not pass 3. They girl when they go, they tell me say she no more than 10 boys, 20 boys. Say because say she love to keep boys as friends more than girls. Now you think say you dey wise, and you can't really believe that type of thing. All the girls when I know me that they when they close, what would they talk? We don't do something before. Now so my life be if me again not they get anything to do, we are not friends. Or even this pet father, pet daughter, I don't like it. My friendship come, I know say all those normal friendship would they ask for help. Go be say I go they offer you help and you are not giving me anything. It's not as if maybe if I see this emergency money, say well, you need emergency money, you give me, you know, give me like that. Then me I go be friend like that. So I don't entertain that. If we not get anything to do together, you are not my friend as a girl. If you are not giving me to you are not my friend as a girl. Me again not they keep that type of friendship. Business partner is different. People that say a business partner, that one a different case. But say as a girl, we just be friends. You not be say like we be business partner or anything. I not sabi am. And I know the toxic people they do and they be bad people, but me I not sabi am. So I don't expect my girlfriend to be friend with more than 20 boys. I mean we be boy. People will be my friends, not even boys will be my guys, not pass 3. You know understand? So not date those type of girls. Those ones they compare you, so they like to they compare. Because they know plenty boys, so they want any small thing we want, they want to compare to some of the boys who they know. They know the ones who they drive GLE, they know the ones who they drive this one. But when they reach time for person to carry their cross, now you they expect me to carry the cross, not be all those ones who they know. So not date them. May they go find one boy among those boys who they know. May date them. You know understand? Then bonus. All these ones will be say they do like boys, all those tomboys, not date them. Since she won't be boy, me she go look for a fellow girl date, not be you she won't date. Me and my girlfriend go come out now. They not gonna know the difference between me and the girl. 2 of us look like boys. There's a reason why I look like this. Because I be man. There's a reason why I did like this. Go check my throwback pictures and videos. I be like girl. I be like I they bleach that time before I live life reach that stage when I say no, man not they behave like this. It get way man they behave. I look myself, say why man go they bleach, go they do all these things. I stop all those things. I did like this. Because I want to be man. I be man and I won't be man because I be man. I make choose to look like man. As you see me like this now, you don't need anybody to tell you say this one a man or a woman. So if people they confuse my girlfriend to be man, she's not supposed to be. You're not supposed to where they go find your fellow girl me with this since you won't be man. Now those ones they feel like say they feel follow you fight. Those ones they don't get the mentality say they feel follow any man fight. As I dey like this, nothing where woman won't do me for this life. Or no argument when me and woman go argue. When I go raise my hand, slap woman. But if woman slap me, I go slap her back. I'm not sure the list of men where they go say woman slap you, waka leave am, go outside, go deal with your guys, drink. They come and not they do all those type of rubbish. If you are a woman, you raise your hand to slap me, I will defend myself. I go slap you back. God beat you join now. Because now let's come to think of it. Now my man will bomb me so. Now only when we date someone, man they beat us. See, she don't realize say this guy na man already. She not try am any day before she leave this world. Then one small girl when I dey date. I'm 30 years now. Let's say I dey date a girl of 25 years. Now me and you they argue. we dey argue. Me wey senior you, I never fit raise my hand slap you. Na you when I senior wan slap me, you go say make I waka leave you, I go slap you, beat you, join am. Because many of una need to understand say Nigeria is not like all these western countries. For western country, UK when I dey, they not born anybody well. Even if you like be woman, be man, be anybody, be the president or the prime minister of that country, if you and person get argument, you raise your hand, slap that person, in the next 5 minutes police dey come that scene, and you wey slap that person, you go pay dearly for that thing. But Nigeria not get that our law. In all those things, even if that law dey safe, they are not functional. So you can't expect me person slap me, make I not defend myself. If guess you give your girlfriend the chance, she slap you, you overlook am, next time she go give you 2 times. Before you look now, she go not dey abuse you in the name of love, say you're not supposed to slap woman. As long as it not be me slap you, you don't have the right to slap me. Now me get the strength, now me get the power, I dey control myself. You will not get power, you say na me you want slap, make I leave you. Me I not dey preach all those type of things, so make everybody know I not dey preach all type of things. Me man not slap woman, but me woman not slap man. Now there e end. You know understand? And now you want the date girl where they do like tomboy. Make a not come out one day now your fellow girl they shook Dido for your toto. That's all these guys they be. And a tomboy, you got the date am. You got come out one day now they shook Dido for your girlfriend toto. Your fellow girl they pump Dido for her toto. And any toto where Dido don't enter, prick not fit do anything for that place again. Because your nuclear weapon is not a minor. Now the Dido be the major work. It's just like these people be saying that they masturbate. Even if they knack now, the next minute after that knack, they'll still go do one because the body already they used to run. So if your girlfriend they shoot Dido for a toto, no matter the work what you do, even if she like me, you do she not they feel more. Your nuclear weapon is not doing a minor work. Now the Dido they do the major work. So once una don finish, you will still go find one place hide, go shoot the Dido for the toto. So not date them, let them go. Before you go to your nuclear weapon to minor. Now the Dido be the major boyfriend for the relationship. Dido don't take over your place. Dido don't take over your place, your position as a boyfriend. Dido doesn't really know, I don't really know. They call me the best financial coach in Africa. I don't really forget. Mama they tell me something. I go say na evening life they live for Geh Geh. Na evening life they live for Geh Geh. Life will be say you go enjoy today. Tomorrow people they enjoy, you go see follow they enjoy. 20 years coming, if people they enjoy, you go see follow they enjoy. Everybody will be say you enjoy this year, the next year people they enjoy, not follow them enjoy. You can be like, you know this boy that year before, all the Geh Geh they hot to, but now you not get money again. That will never be your portion. For that not to be your portion, say amen on the comment section. One love, Geh Geh.
And remember, like and subscribe. Or else. Smash that button now.